Okay, in 7.5, we're going to talk a lot about inscribed angles and what I'm calling chord angles, or angles created by crossing chords, which of course are segments inside a circle. The first one is an introduction. An inscribed angle has a vertex on the circle. So the vertex of B is on the circle, and what's interesting is that this is just simply different from a central angle where the vertex would be the center of the circle, right? In this case, the vertex angle is actually on the circle and goes over to C. And so it's created by two chords, chord CB and chord DB, create an inscribed angle, and so angle CBD, right, this angle right here, right, is an inscribed angle. Recall again the angle DAC, right, which if I put that in there, which I can do just briefly, right, that's a central angle, whereas the other one is an inscribed angle. And let me just see if I can erase that, because I think that would probably be helpful. And in the last one, arc DKC, right, is considered the intercepted arc of the inscribed angle CBD. So we talk about this being the intercepted arc for this angle over here. Okay. Over on the right, we've got two chords crossing, and what's most important for me here is to describe in clarity which angles go with which chords. So you'll remember, let's see if I can change this maybe to purple. These angles on the inside, right? These are vertical angles, which from the past we know are congruent. So it's going to be important to realize that these angles cut off and are related to these intercepted arcs, whereas these two angles are connected to these two intercepted arcs out here. And so it's important just to understand what I'm talking about when we say crossing chord angles have intercepted arcs, right? These right here go with this one and this one. These go with the others. Okay, and it's really just important for clarity's sake to remember that. So those are a quick introduction to inscribed angles and chord angles.